Welcome back to my channel, Financial Intelligence. I'm your host, Joseph Wallace Conley. And today's topic of discussion is going to be how money was born. So today's topic of conversation is going to be very, very cool. Ladies and gentlemen, when I was in school, I wish I had the insight I did now, I would have done absolutely remarkable, just outstanding. It's just life-changing information. This is going to be a very, very cool little information I give you guys. All right. Here we go. One thing I can say about civilization or mankind, people throughout history, just we're so awesome. We're sometimes as crazy and as cruel as we are also just an amazing, just living specimen. All right. And like I said, today's topic of discussion is going to be how money was born. So it used to be, you used to have a barter system. People would trade goods, barter, up, down. Your 10 oranges were equivalent to my 10 apples. But let's say somebody came from a different direction. Let's say somebody had 10 oranges and they wanted to exchange it for a whole cow. Well, obviously that's not a fair, trade. So what are you going to do? Are you going to carry a bunch of oranges in the weight of a cow? No. Are you going to cut the weight of the 10 oranges that match the cow? No, because that would be pretty nasty. I think the cow is probably going to be bye-bye. So what happened? So people needed something, a unit of measurement to help trade, to measure goods. And so this is how money was born. So for today's conversation, I'm going to use the periodic table, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? And we're going to burn through this and just watch and learn how money was born. So obviously, when it comes to gases on the periodic table, what are you going to do? Put them in a jar and trade them? No. So, ladies and gentlemen, throw those out. Boom. You had other elements like magnesium and calcium and sodium, but those things, they're not durable and they break down in water. So, boom, throw them away. And now you had base metals. You had iron, nickel, cobalt, zinc. But the thing about those is they rust and corrode over time, and they're magnetic. So, boom, throw them away. And then, so right now we're already at probably a third of the periodic table, ladies and gentlemen. And now you have plutonium and uranium and lithium. But those things are poisonous and dangerous to human beings. So guess what? Throw them away. So, ladies and gentlemen, there were 6. You had rhodium and palladium, but they weren't discovered until the mid-1850s. You had platinum. Platinum is also a precious metal, but it has a very, very high melting point. So it just wasn't conducive at the time. So throw it away. Honorable mention, ladies and gentlemen, to copper. Copper is also considered a precious metal. It doesn't rust. It doesn't corrode. It's used in a lot of different electrical circuit boards in industry. Very, very good. Very, very good element. However, there's a massive abundance of it. Also, it used to be coinage. I believe before 1980, I want to say 88. Please correct me if I'm wrong on the copper pennies. But you see, it used to be coinage, ladies and gentlemen. However, obviously, we don't use that anymore in our current coinage. I believe we use nickel. So, ladies and gentlemen, guess what? There were 2, gold and silver. Why? Why did mankind naturally gravitate towards gold and silver as a unit of exchange as money? Why not iron, or why not diamonds? Well, because of their properties, ladies and gentlemen. I'm about to go over them. Gold and silver are just amazing elements. Amazing elements. They have a low melting point. They're malleable. That means you can break them up in different pieces. They do not rust, or they do not corrode. They're indestructible. They're fungible. You can make different shapes out of them. They're not magnetic. They have over 1,000 industrial uses. They're in everything, ladies and gentlemen, especially silver. Silver is in so many uses mirrors, cars, cell phones, medicine, dental. It's used in so many uh, use industries. It's insane that it's only $24 and something an ounce. It's insane, and it's running out. I think I believe in a few years silver is going to be very very scarce. They're a store of value. They're a store of wealth. They're scarce. Do you know that silver is used in medicine? It can heal wounds. It fights bacteria and infection. It has antimicrobial fighting agents. It's real money, and it has been money for over 6,000 years. And even today, it's still real money. But yet, of course, we don't use it in our monetary system. And it's a sign of and they help stabilize economic the economy, as well as they're a sign of freedom. Uh, Very awesome and very cool uh, elements, ladies and gentlemen, gold and silver, and how naturally over time people just gravitated them. Why? Because of their properties. Uh, Fun fact: diamonds, ladies and gentlemen, diamonds, believe it or not, are have zero intrinsic value, unlike gold and silver. Yes, you have to mine it out of the ground, but because of their properties, and they can be manipulated in labs, uh, diamonds have zero intrinsic value. And this came from De Beers himself, the owner of the mining company. So, FYI, think about it. How come during economic uncertainty or financial collapses, people don't go to diamonds? Where do they go to time and time after again? They go back to gold and silver. Ladies and gentlemen, just amazing. Just amazing. Uh, but like I always say, please like, please subscribe, please share, please comment. Also, if somebody, I'm gonna give you a prize. If somebody in the comments can tell me what massive structure is copper made out of, you will get a prize. The first person who does that will get a prize. All right, I'll send you a prize. But please like, please subscribe, please comment. Remember, always self-educate and educate others, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you and have a very good day.